Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. This is going to just be a quick tutorial. My name is Mary Parker Cardor, and I am doing a real quick tutorial for those newcomers that just joined us. Welcome to Perfectly Posh. I am trying to show everybody real quick how to set up a virtual party using your dashboard. So I'm backing up because I was trying to use my phone and apparently I didn't have enough storage. Dun dun dun. Alright, so first, before you even get to this part, I want to mention a little bit that Pat Sheehan, she is one of the training instructors that we have through Perfectly Posh. She's very informative, knows her stuff. She's very joyful and vibrant, and she's fun to watch. She gives a lot of great information, and she's doing a 5-part series on kind of how to up your game as a consultant, and I highly recommend watching it. She also shows you and talks about how you can hit those marks as a consultant to make the income that you so desire. And it's about an hour long, but to me it was really beneficial. It's kind of revved me up and put more inspiration for me to hit my marks and doing what I do. And I don't ever really feel that what I am doing feels like a job. Like, this is a lot of fun. It's a challenge for me. It puts me out there, and I love the products. So with that said, let me just show you real quick. I am in my dashboard. And again, this is for setting up either a home party or a virtual party. I am in my dashboard. I am in my virtual office right here. And then I am going to my business tab. And then I'm going to go down to my parties link right here. And you have open parties, upcoming parties, closed parties, and hostess benefits. And then over here above that, you're gonna see create a new party. It's a hyperlink, so you're gonna go ahead and click on that. And that will also show you the open parties that you have. And obviously I have none right now, but I do have all these fantastic leads that I got from putting in my nail box at my nail salon and giving away some samples. So I'm about to do that today. So I'm going to show you that there is the option for the new physical party. You can do a public party and you can do a private party. A public party with a new physical party, that's basically a home party. With the public party, you are saying that whoever comes across your link, if you were sharing this on Facebook or social media, that they can add themselves, they can find your address, they can find your phone number, and they can show up at your party. The private party is more of a controlled environment where us as the consultant can send it out. Michelle, you're funny. What's up? And the private party for the physical home party is where you can send out to whoever you want, and you can advertise it on your page, and it's not going to be advertised to anybody. It's going to be whoever you send it out to. And then you have the option for the new online party, public or private as well. And this is for your Facebook parties. Now, what I highly recommend, and what a lot of us do, is when you're having a home party, you also have people that can't make it. So you want to put that out there and have that link generated. So you also create an online party so that they can order. They can order through the physical party link, I believe. Don't quote me on that. But just in case, it's always great to create the physical online party link. And you want to set that in private as well. I basically set everything in private. It's better that way. So I'm going to do this, and this is just kind of like a mock thing. I'm not actually creating one right now, and I am going to delete it, but just so you guys have it. So like I said, I'm in my parties tab for my virtual office on my dashboard. I'm creating a Facebook party under the new online party tab, and it's a private party. And yes, that's my husband gaming in the background. So you're going to go over here and you're going to select your hostess, which is me, or your name should be in my database. You know, these are all the people that I have under here. But right now it's me. and then this will show me as the consultant and my email, so that's like how to get a hold of me. And this online meetup right here, date and time, start, time, end, that is if you want to, say, have a FaceTime or a messenger, like a virtual messenger, where you want to do it like a face-to-face, and, you know, talk to your hostess and say, all right, you know, what do we have going on? If you want to have those kind of meetings with them to kind of amp them up, or, you know, if there's any concerns, you're addressing these, you and your consultant always want to have a great relationship, because they're helping you and you're helping them. They want the free product, they want the perks, and then of course you want the reward and the commission. So that is what you were doing here. I always take advantage of this time. I just recently started doing parties, so hindsight's 2020, but I've always put them in there. And like I said, Pat Sheehan has just put out the series, and she did part 2, which is what it is, a few weeks ago, and it's about how to work with your hostess coaching and do all that, and it's great information. So party details, this is what you're going to name the party. For example, Michelle's Summer Posh Party, or Michelle's Mermaid, I don't know, Masquerade. How about that? Then you put in the party details. This is, you know, for the consultant, such and such party, looking forward to meeting you all. You know, we are, you know, if you're doing a specialty thing, like this is going to be for manis and petties, or we're doing a glam party or something, you put that in there. And then for the people that can't make it, you want to make sure that you put something in there. You know, you can always order your, you know, it's going to ship right away. You don't have to worry about it. You also have images that you can post on your mock website for your consultant, or however you decide to do it. But you want to put all those details in there too. It kind of curbs all the asking of questions, so that you can keep your page pretty straightforward. This is your party date range, the start date and the end date. I suggest keeping it within the month, because it can tend to get a little fuzzy. You know, if you're going from, you know, one month to the other, it kind of messes up how you're getting paid. Not the amounts you're getting paid, but how you get paid, like when you get paid. So I don't know if I actually have to populate these, but I'm going to go and create a party. Yes, of course I have to put something. So, well, if I have to type it in, I'm going to put MMM, yes. And I believe I have to put this for 6-3 to 6-3. So I put in my information. New party created. And then you should get an automatic kick out that says Perfectly Posh created your party. You know, you get this, I believe, yeah, you get it instantaneously, and it gives you all your information. And then you scroll down here, you can either share it via email, share it via Facebook, share it via Twitter, or copy the link. So if I'm sharing it via Facebook, you go obviously to that. If you're sending it in a personal email, you can do it here if you don't want to enter everybody's email address in, or if you're going, say like you want to go just to your Gmail and email from there, you just copy the link and then paste it, and then you hit share, and it'll get you there. Or once you go to the link, you can also hit share the love up here and do it from there. So let me see. I'm gonna go share via Facebook. It says, join the Posh Party. So I put via Facebook. I'm gonna hit share. And then you go, where on your Facebook do you want to share it to? Do I want to share it on my normal timeline, my friend's timeline, share in a group, share an event? Well, I have my own personal page for Posh, so I'm going to go to share in a group, then pick my page, and then post the link there, and then hit post to Facebook, and it's all done. That's all you have to do. All right, I'm sorry that this probably ended up being pretty long, but that is a simple tutorial on how to set up a virtual party on Facebook. I am not familiar with setting one up on Twitter or Instagram. I'm not even, obviously on Twitter you can. I'd imagine it's just sharing the link. Well, no, I'm sorry. You can only really set it up to this capacity on your virtual office, and then you just share your links via Twitter, or I'd imagine Instagram, probably on Pinterest as well. But you want to make sure to track those on Pinterest and stuff, because if you leave them out there, people are going to try ordering from the old links, and I believe that they don't, you know, they pop up as, oops, sorry, you know, HTTP 404 error. So that would be the downside of trying to get on, you know, sharing your multiple links on Pinterest. All right, thank you so much, and hope this helps anybody out there. Have a great day.